Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buchler of Inky Fingers Paper Crafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Now today I'm going to show you a fun and playful card you can make with the Harvest Hellos stamp set and the coordinating Apple Builder Punch. This is a great set of products to play with at this time of year, and as you can imagine, you can create lots of adorable projects for Halloween, back to school, and more. The sentiments in this stamp set are just terrific too. Welcome back, you make me smile, to an A+ teacher, hello pumpkin, and more. Today though, I'll be making more of an all-purpose autumn card that you could use as a birthday, a thank you, or a thinking of you card. And this card was cased from Dory Schneider. My measurements are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a crumb cake mat of 4 by 5.25 inches, a piece of early espresso measuring 3 3/4 inches by 2.5 inches, and some scraps of cherry cobbler, bumblebee, granny apple green, and white. Now I'm going to start by running these two pieces of cardstock through my embossing machine with two different embossing folders. I'm going to use the Old World Paper embossing folder on my crumb cake layer. This folder has become my go-to for fun textures and backgrounds on my card because it's just irresistible. And I'm also going to run my early espresso piece through the machine with the Pinewood Planks embossing folder. Now with this piece of early espresso, I'm going to use this old retired punch. I think it's called Word Window, and I'm going to transform this into a wooden crate. Now it's time for stamping. I'm going to use this apple stamp and my Memento Black ink to create an apple on each of these three colors. Now on my white cardstock, I'm going to stamp 3 little leaves and 3 little stems. And I'll use my Apple Builder punch to punch out all the pieces. Leaves and my stems, I'm going to use my blends to add a little bit of color. Now I'm ready to put my apples together. Now the final bit of stamping is to add a sentiment to this little piece I cut out with my Stitched So Sweetly dies, and I'm going to use a sentiment from the Good Man stamp set, You're the Best. Now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to sign up for Creativity to Go, which means once a month you'll get prepared supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door for you to complete on your own schedule. I am also hosting casual Zoom crafting sessions where you can bring any project you happen to be working on and enjoy a fun social crafting time with others. Find all of these details and so much more on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Paper Crafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping!